Good morning, students, and welcome to the online classes of the Wisdom School. Today, we are going to do book exercise of chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is My Wonderful Body. I want all of you to open page number 4 so that we can start with our exercise.
Okay students, come to page number 4 and we will start with our book exercise. So everybody please write down today's date, that is 24/5/21. Okay, now let's start. A. Fill in the blanks. The chest and abdomen are part of the trunk or torso. हमारे ट्रंक और टॉर्सो के क्या क्या पार्ट्स हैं? दे आर टू पार्ट्स, वन इज चेस्ट एंड द अदर वन इज abdomen. The is the organ of taste. For taste, which organ do we use? We use tongue. Tongue help us to taste, so we will write tongue. Dash keeps our eyes wet. Wet मतलब गीला. हमारी आँखों को गीला कौन सा ऑर्गन रखता है? सो द आंसर इज टीयर ग्लैंड्स. नाउ द फोर्थ वन इज अवर ईयर्स हेल्प अस टू. व्हाट डज अवर ईयर डू? इट हेल्प अस टू हियर. सो वी विल राइट HEAR, हियर. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर B. Rearrange the letters to find the right answer. हमने कुछ आंसर्स दिए हुए हैं, इनको रीअरेंज करना है. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन एंड दिस वन इज द रेड वन इज आंसर. द स्पेलिंग इज नॉट करेक्ट, सो वी विल correct the spelling and we will rearrange these alphabets and that we will make a new answer. So it controls all the organs. हमारी बॉडी में कौन सा ऑर्गन है जो सारे ऑर्गन्स को कंट्रोल करता है? द आंसर इज ब्रेन. सो लेट अस चेक वेदर इट इज ब्रेन और समथिंग एल्स. BRAIN. RAIN, brain. It sends blood to all parts of the body. ये हमारी पूरी बॉडी में ब्लड सप्लाई करता है. विच ऑर्गन इज इट? इट इज आवर हार्ट. सो वी विल राइट HEAR and T. It is our heart. Now question number 3. They help us to learn about things. हमारे आसपास की चीज़ों के बारे में हमें कौन बताता है? Our sense organs. So let us find the spelling. SENSE. So we will write SENSE, sense. ORGANS, ORGANS, organs. I hope everything is clear till now. Now come to question number C. In question number C, there are 4 words given in each line. There are 4 words, 1, 2, 3 and 4. What we have to do is circle the odd word. Odd कौन सा है? All those words will be similar to each, will be connected to each other, but the fourth one will not be the part of that particular family or a group. So Let us find which one is the odd one. First one, ears, lungs, eyes, skin. Okay, what do you think? I think ears, eyes and skin, all the three are sense organ, and lungs is our internal organ. So we will circle lungs. Okay, now come to question number 2. Heart, stomach, lungs and hands. Heart, stomach and lungs are internal organs, and hands are our external organs. So we will mark hands. Now come to our third part, that is head, limbs, neck and brain. I have marked brain. Why? Because these three parts are the parts of our body, and these are the external organs. Heads, limbs and neck, all these three parts are the part of our body. That is, if you can see this in this picture, here this one, the topmost part is head, then it is our neck, and this is our limbs. These are our limbs. So when we talk about the brain, it is an internal organ and which is inside our body. So we have marked brain. I hope everything is clear to you in this chapter today. We will do our next exercises in our next class. So I wish all of you the very best in your life. Stay healthy, stay happy. That's all, beta. Take care.